opportunity to express our love to these strong roots who have strengthened the branches of family tree through the legacy of love.
A very good morning to everyone. We, the students of UKGD, are going to present before you an assembly on grandparents.
Now we will have the readings from the Holy Scriptures. A reading from the Holy Bible. Stand up in the presence of the elderly and show respect for the aged. A reading from the Holy Gita. माता पिता की सेवा और उनकी आज्ञा का पालन जैसा दूसरा धर्म कोई भी नहीं है.
A reading from the Holy Guru Granth Sahib. एक ओंकार सद्गुरु प्रसाद जीवन प्रतर नमाने को मुएस रात रानी पितर विवपुर रूपावई कौवा कुकर खावई. A reading from the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Imma yablughanna indakal kibra ahaduhuma uklilahuma fala takullahuma ufi wala tanhar huma wa kullahuma qawlan kariman. Amin. It is believed that grandparents are the blessing of God. Grandparents are true believers in dreams. They are the ones who push their children and grandchildren to pursue dreams. Our grandparents are the delightful blend of caring deeds, wonderful stories, laughter, and love. Grandma and Grandpa, we want to tell you that you are special by singing this song. So, I invite my friends to present before you the song.
Grandma, today's for you, today's for you. We want you to feel very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Grandma, today's for you, today's for you. We want you to feel very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Grandma and Grandpa, we like to say that we celebrate you in a very special way.
Now we will have a stay to understand the importance of grandparents. David, whose elderly father kept spilling soup on the tablecloth because of his trembling fingers. One evening, the old man dropped a fine teacup and fell to the floor and broke.
From now on, you will eat in your room, Father. Here is a wooden bowl for you to use. This you cannot break.
The next day, David came home and saw his very young son sitting on the floor trying to carve out a chunk of wood. What are you doing? It's for you, Father. You can use it to read losing a mold. We polite to parents, grandparents, and elderly, and quality time with them. Monitor their health. Give them heartfelt gifts.
अरे देखो देखो क्या क्या करतब दिखलाती है, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी बन जाती है। हाँ, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा, मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा, कब से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ।
So, grandparents, you have a special place in our hearts that no one else can fill. You are our dear and special grandparents who we love and always will. Now, I request my class teacher to highlight the topic.
Grandparents, they are the true gifts of God to each one of us and the ones whose advice is always beneficial. Good morning, Sister Rosalie, our manager, Sister Martha, our headmistress, parents, teachers, and my dear students. Grandparents, like heroes, are as necessary to a child's growth as vitamins. The positivity that the grandparents spread, the tremendous patience that they show while taking care of us, handling our mischiefs, unconditionally loving us and scolding us whenever needed is unmatchable. So when we grow up, it's our responsibility to take care of these amazing people who give up their time to be a part of our childhood. They are our role models and they inspire us in ways known and unknown. Our grandparents play a major role in our lives, and their stories of hardships and struggle make us stronger and give us the positive energy of not losing hopes and keep moving in life. So it's very true that grandparents have silver in their hair and gold in their heart. Now I would like to thank Sister Martha for giving me the opportunity to present this assembly in collaboration with my class students. And at last, a big thanks to the parents who supported and coordinated with me to make this assembly a success.
Thank you, dear Pooja ma'am, for preparing us for this virtual assembly during this time of lockdown. We thank our parents and grandparents with whom we are able to spend our full time experiencing their love and care. Let us all pledge today that we will care for our grandparents and elderly people. Thanks to all my companions and parents for taking active part for conducting this assembly. Thank you to one and all.
A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Professor Dhananjay Yadav, grandfather of Manvi Tejas of UKG D. I congratulate the principal, teachers, and the staff of SMC Nursery School Prayagraj for their commendable efforts in bringing out holistic development of girls' child, thereby ensuring women empowerment. We are the lucky grandparents because playing, singing, dancing, and fighting with grandchildren helps us rediscover our childhood again and feel ourselves young and energetic. Efforts made by the institution makes us feel pride because through different curricular and co-curricular activities you are imparting a constructive impact on students' personality, a beautiful confluence of cultural orientation and futuristic vision to meet out the developmental needs of the society and the nation is clearly evident. Heartiest congratulations to all the stakeholders, particularly the older and experienced ones, for virtual celebration of Grandparents' Day by the Institution of Pride, the SMC Nursery School, Prayagraj. I wish each and everybody a big success and congratulations for this event. Thank you.